Okay, well, they've started painting it this week. It's quite yellow. I was trying to steer her towards a little bit lighter color yellow than that, but she picked a very dark one. But it'll work. So, can we see this? It's kind of a green roof, the yellow. It's supposed to be, I think, painted on the inside as well. We'll find out here in a minute. And there's tiles on the floor. Yes. So it's not painted on the inside yet. But I'm not going to walk on it because I'm not sure if they're done or what. But yeah, I like that checkerboard tile. Sounds like they're working in the ceiling, so we'll go around and look at that. The soffits here, all the eaves are all supposed to be painted. I think they said white. So it's starting to look a little bit more like a house. Good day. Okay. Starting the bathroom tile. I've got looks like they've got all the tile down that's complete pieces. Now they're doing all the cutting. So, okay. Well, it's coming along. Forgot to look at the ceiling. The ceiling is white now. The walls will be white later. Okay, just real quick. The workman's out for now, so I can come in here. We got a faucet here for a bucket that just will turn the shower on. That's going to have a fitting for the shower, but the shower nozzle and water heater are at our apartment right now. We'll bring them with us. This will get a couple more coats of paint. That's as far as they're going to paint. The tile is going to go up as high as the paint. And it's higher than my shoulder, about the level of my chin. So it's probably 5 feet high, I guess. I'm not going to measure it because it doesn't matter. But so that's going to be the white tile all the way around. That bubble looking tile is going to be on the floor. And we have, shower curtain here. It'll be doable. Still seems dark in there, but hopefully the rest of the paint will brighten it up more, because out here is much brighter and there's no light on at all, and the windows are blocked while they're painting. So that's just the light coming in from the doors making it this bright. Well, okay, not just the doors, there is the hole for the air conditioner, but not much. So they're getting there. They got most of the pieces cut today, so that's a lot of work. They glue those, cement them down, I guess tomorrow.